All right, guys. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Happy Tuesday, everybody. Hope you guys are doing well. Usually, what we're looking to do, guys, is hunt to the extremes of the high impact news release. So, for example, today's direction's obviously bullish. So we've already taken out the high of that initial move, right? So we've drifted higher. This is very normal. We drift above or below that release, and then we're waiting to see kind of again now that sell side of the curve, and then look to short towards the other extreme of the move. So we don't necessarily need to see price go all the way to the other extreme. You know, we'll be partialing and taking profit along the way. So, but that is the overall overarching hopeful long-term target, is taking out the other extreme of the news release. So that's kind of the nice thing about these high impact news days, is the strategy is so simple. There really isn't a whole lot of thought process that goes into the bias. To be completely honest with you guys, it's just literally using the news impact to release and then targeting the extremes of that. Not in a hurry at all. We know our bias. I'm simply just waiting for price to start rolling over and give us bearish PD arrays. The moment we got that, I'm planning to get short. Very very simple, very straightforward. Obviously, first targets are going to be these short-term lows, and then obviously we can look to hunt into this huge inefficiency as well. All right, guys. Yeah, fair value gap gets left here. I will get short. We got a minute though to let this candle do its thing. As far as difference, I don't really see a difference in relative strength per se. So I guess that really just means you could trade whichever one you want. I don't really see a whole lot of difference here. Oh, no shit, because I'm looking at the same one. All right, 15 seconds, guys. I'm gonna get short inside of this fair value gap up here if we pull into it, okay? Didn't pull into it just yet. I'm gonna let it pop up. All right, I'm gonna add a contract there. Yeah, so I got, what is this, 20? Oh, it's only 21 points, 23. I'm gonna do one contract for now because I'm in NQ. If you want to be an ES, you could do that if you wanted, I suppose. If it fails, I would be open to waiting and playing the setup again. I thought this was actually going to be a bigger stop than this. I want to give us enough room. I don't want to go too early. Thinking right here. Not looking good. Oh wow, just tap my stop. Part of me almost wants to get short from this order block. 13 points. I think I will, guys. I'm gonna get short if we can pop back up. I'm gonna get short right there. I'm gonna do one contract only. This is really light risk. And I'm doing that on purpose. I'm gonna give myself some room, but I'm using this order block as entry. We didn't come down to this fair value gap, which is why I want to use it. And I'm going to let this thing go down to all of these lows. It's everything, right? So when you go up in time frame, that might mean you miss an entry, you might miss a trade. The pro is that you'll miss out on, you'll avoid some losses. The con is that you'll miss out on some trades. And that's a fact. I mean, that's regardless of, 1 minute, 5 minute, 15 minute, 1 hour, right? Yep, ran out. 0-2. Maybe, maybe not. If we trade through this gap, I might use it as an inverse. And by might, I mean probably a good chance that I will. All right, guys, I'm going to get short again right there. Oh, I got a bad feel. I was trying to get that inverse gap. You guys get short if you want. I just did one contract. I know that was really quick. I do apologize. The kind of candle closed and popped up there right away. But this is what I was trying to go for right here. Stop loss. Honestly, for me, this is so tight. 14 points. I'm going to let it be all the way up there. And if we do pop up into here again, maybe bounce off this, I might even add one more on. But I want to see it show respect here if it does come up. You know, guys, I'm actually going to change my mind. I'm just going to reduce risk on this. I'm going to go right here. But yeah, now that this 5 minute gap is here, would like to see price roll over and break structure. If that happens, we'll be feeling all right. Last line of defense, just hit it. If we form like a 2022 model here, going back down, I might even tack one more contract on. Oh, I was hoping you would leave a. I actually want to see a fair value gap get left open, and then I'll use that to take another entry. I will enter here if that happens, but it might just leave this open now, and I'll move my stop to above this high. I will say this though, if we take these lows out first, I won't do that. If we take the lows out, I'm gonna go risk free. I call that one the boner flag. I have no problem regulating my emotions, but I do feel slightly responsible for your guys' emotions, which I have no control over, which is the funny part. Listen, and I'm not here to make this a political conversation. I am a Republican, but I would go as far as to say, not in a general statement, but from what we've seen since 2020 on, liberalism is, I think, literally a mental illness. TP1 got hit, guys. If you want a partial there, I would pay myself. But anyway, guys, let me know what you guys did. Did you guys take a partial? Did you close? Did you what are you guys doing? I know Garmin said he already passed his 160 or 150k Apex account, so therefore he's probably out. But this was the idea all along, obviously. For those of you guys that are still holding, TP2 is going to be this low. For those of you guys that are in a partialing position, who knows? Maybe by the time we get there, I'll just close it. You never know. I might make an impulse decision. I'm human. I ain't perfect and ain't never pretended to be perfect. I'm sure we already hit 2.5 standard deviation based on this. We did. We just hit it. Ha! Yeah, when you see stuff like that, it does make you want to close. I won't lie. But we're also only on the 1 minute chart. Which, if we just go out here to the 5, this is that last manipulation leg. On the 5 minute, looks a little different then. The good news is we can't call CPI day a loss, can we? Like a full-blown loss. Just not as green as we'd like. But anyway, enjoy your Tuesday, guys. If you need anything, reach out. I'll keep you updated in the Discord. Not planning on trading PM session as of this very moment. If that changes, I'll let you guys know. Otherwise, I'll see you guys on the session tomorrow. Peace out, everybody. Talk soon.